Geometry1 Quadrilaterals. Now we're on page 172. Alright, the first one. This is question 2, the first one. This is 80 degrees, so this one here, this is A.
80 degrees.
A is equal to 80, they're equal. Do you understand that? Right, the next one. And the next question, second bit. This is 115, this is B, and this is C. Which one is equal to 115?
B.
B. Alright, if we go a step further,
Make it Z.
all the angles add up to 360. Lads, will you look up? If I add up all of the angles there, they add up to... If I add these two angles here, will you look up? Stop it. Look up. If I add the angles beside each other, they add up to 180. If I add up these two angles, they add up to 180. If I add up all of the angles together, they add up to 360. So how do I find these two angles if I wanted to? So 115 plus 115 is equal to 230. (360 minus 230) is 130. 130. This angle and this angle add up, both of these add up to 130. So how do I find C?
And you add, you take 180 away from
This plus this adds up to 130. So 130 divided by 2. So C is equal to 65. And this angle is equal to 65. If you notice, if you add these two angles, they add up to 180. Those two add up to 180. Right, we'll have a look at the next one.
How come you took that away from 360 and not 180?
1 second. I'll answer it in a little while. Right, the next one. Part 3. This is 75. What do you notice about this angle here? See that angle there? It's a straight line, which adds up to 180. So 180 minus 75 is 105. So this angle B is 105. Alright. So we have to find this one here. So what we can do now, watch, looking up, is I'll rub that out for a second. Well, I'll leave it there because if I turn it around, can you see a Z shape?
Yep.
Z, Z, Z. So this angle is the same as this angle, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's 75. Opposite angles in a parallelogram, if I rub that out now, opposite angles are equal.
So how did that one in the left top corner come to the point?
This one?
Yeah.
You have to spot the Z. Can you see a Z in that shape? See that Z? Well, this angle here inside the Z is equal to this angle here inside the Z. So that's 75. Okay, they're called alternate angles. So that's 75. Inside a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So that's 105 and 105. Okay, you don't have to take this one down. We'll have a look at question 3. Right, that's 120. And straight away, this angle here is, this is A. Are you looking up? That's 120. What's this one?
120.
Opposite angles. Alright? If I extend the line out here, like we did in the example, see that line? What's this angle here?
60.
Why?
The straight line's 180.
Because that, yeah, that's 180. So this is 60. Can you see a Z shape now?
Yeah.
See the Z shape?
So, and the alternate angle.
So this angle, alternate, is
60.
60. See the Z? That's 60, which means this is
60.
60. It's not a simpler way of doing it. Okay. Another example. So will you stop talking now? Right, that's 80 degrees. Straight away, what can you tell me about this one?
That's 80.
This is C. It's 80.
So
And
how is it 80 if it's not choose?
it's a parallelogram, first of all.
Oh, yeah.
Opposite angles are equal. Will you look up? This one is 55. We have to find this one here. That's the angle that we're looking for, D.
80 plus 55. And take that away from 180.
Yeah, these three angles add up to these three angles went up to 180. Is there another way of doing it? Well, that's probably the easiest one.
360 take away and 3 after.
Okay, we'll do it that way. These three angles add up to 180. So we'll go 80 plus 55 is 135, and take that away from 180. 45. D is 45. We'll have a look at the next one as well. So this is 75. This is the third part of question 3. So this is the angle E. So this straight away is looking up.
That's 75.
That's 75 as well. Alright, and now we have to find F, and we have to find G. We're given this angle 50. Alright, so that's 75 and that's 75. Now if you look over here, see this angle here? We'll look up. This angle is 75. This angle, first of all, is, see the Z shape?
Yeah, 75.
Yeah, we see 75 there. They're alternate angles. That's 75 there. All right. So that means the whole of this angle here is what?
180.
Yeah. So this was 75. So you get 180 minus 75. So was it 105, isn't it? So all of this, if I add up, those two angles here are equal to 105. All right. Now if you look up here, Oisin, both of these angles are equal to 105. But look at over here. All of this should be equal to 105 as well, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
So how do I find G?
50 minus 100.
Yeah. So 105 minus 50. 55. So G is equal to 55. Do a check. 55 plus 50 is equal to 105. See the way I did that?